Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to edit photos from your camera roll in Snapchat. So I will show the step by step process of doing it. If you want to learn, keep watching the video till the end. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat. Then if you click on the memory option at the left side, it will take you the memories interface. It will take you to this page. From here, if you click on the camera roll, then you will see your gallery. All of images showing here. Suppose you want to add this image. If you want to add this image to your Snapchat story, okay, then if you click on the top right side three dot option, you will get the edit snap option. Then from here you will get the all edit option. Here you can add text, suppose hi, big text, as well as you can change the color. Okay, then if you want, you can add the other things, like in this way you can design, you can add the emo. Suppose this emo I want to add. Okay, as well as 100 according here different sticker wheel and emo is available. You can add according to your requirements. Then if you want to add sticker, there are many sticker here. You can add any sticker. Suppose this one I want to add, so I'm adding here. Okay, in this way actually you can edit your photos from your camera roll in Snapchat. After complete your editing, if you click on send to, then this interface will appear. From here, if you click the my story option, then it will be selected. After that, if you click the my story, this arrow, then it will add it to your story. Okay, so in this way you can edit your photos from your camera roll in Snapchat. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.